Hello friends. Welcome to Tech Arambam. Our today's concept is Java and JavaScript. Many beginners get confused. Java and JavaScript are the same? No. They are completely different languages. Think of Java like a bus engine, strong, behind-the-scenes power. JavaScript is like the bus conductor, interacting with passengers, making things happen on the screen. Today, we'll break down the differences with simple examples, so even beginners can understand clearly. First, let's talk about Java. Java is used for backend systems, Android apps, and enterprise projects. It's a compiled language. This means the code is converted into bytecode, which makes it fast and reliable. Java is strict. You must define variable types before using them. Imagine a railway reservation system with millions of bookings every day. It must be fast, secure, and reliable. That's why Java is perfect for such projects. Now, let's look at JavaScript. JavaScript makes websites interactive. It runs in the browser and is flexible. You don't need to declare variable types. Imagine a movie ticket booking website. When you click a seat, it turns green instantly. That's JavaScript in action, creating dynamic and interactive experiences for users. So what's the main difference? Java is strong, strict, and used for big projects, while JavaScript is flexible, fast, and makes web pages interactive. Both are very useful, but they serve different purposes. Which one should you learn? Java, for backend, Android apps, and enterprise systems. JavaScript, for web development, interactive websites, and full-stack applications. Pro tip: learning both makes you a versatile developer. Java builds your foundation, and JavaScript gives you creativity and speed on the web. So friends, tell me in the comments, which one will you start with, Java or JavaScript? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly coding videos.